Hey guys, hope everybody's having a good day. I want to take a few minutes today to go over one of my Spydercos that gets a lot of time in pocket. It's a great EDC knife, and I am talking about the Spyderco Sage 5. The Sage 5 comes from the Taichung, Taiwan plant. It is a carbon fiber G10 body with an S30V blade. Has that really dramatic leaf shape. It's a medium sized knife. I've got a large to medium large hand, and before I even get into the choil, I've got plenty of room, 4 fingers on that grip. With the choil, which is Spyderco just does a great job of, I can really choke up on that knife, and it really gives me great purchase. Super slicey, tall, flat grind blade that comes down to just a real keen edge. I love the compression lock on it. I love the weight of the knife. The knife is very light. I do wish I could find some scales for this to upgrade it. I like to do some modifications on my Spyderco, and the Sage 5 has been a little tricky to find scales for, but we keep looking. But what else can I say about this knife? I mean, it is literally, let's get some ideas on how big it is, because that might help you guys. And I'll have the specs in the description, and you guys can check some of our retailers' websites. But let's look at it next to the Cold Steel 4MAX. It's dwarfed by the 4MAX. It's the VV Baby Banter. It's going to be bigger than the Baby Banter. Look at it next to the Benchmade Bug Out. It's going to be right about the same size as the Benchmade Bug Out, guys. And then we'll look at it with the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. If y'all have those in your collection, it's going to have a shorter handle and a shorter blade, but just a great EDC knife. I have several Spydercos in my collection. I carry all of them. I carry some of them more than others. And I would say that this Spyderco gets as much time in pocket. That was a crazy flip that bounced my thumb off the mat. But this knife spends as much Spyderco time in my pocket as almost any other. It's just a great knife. It fills a void for a great office carry, a great light EDC carry, and I really enjoy it. So with that in mind, if you are looking for a knife with a compression lock, this is a smaller variation that's light from Taichung, Taiwan, in a really well built specimen, and this knife fits your need, I can definitely recommend it. I can't tell you that it'll fit your need if I don't know what your need is. So make sure it's something that fits what you're trying to put into your collection or into your hand. And I can give a thumbs up to the Sage 5. Great knife from Spyderco. Guys, most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Know that you will disagree on things. And know that there are a lot of things that draw y'all together in commonality. Try to hang on those good things, guys. Let's go forward with love. Let's debate things before we hate on things. And I just want you to know I love you all. Thanks for watching the video. Peace.